Come on, let's go swimming. Let's go. Come on, Mikey, let's go. Mikey, go swimming. Mikey, come on.
Mikey, come on out of there. Is it cold? Feel it with your feet.
I'm sure it is. He's dipping his head underwater.
He sees stuff and wants to dip.
Jack. Hey, what you doing? It's fine, he can go. Mikey, come here. Jack, go in the water. Jack doesn't want to go in the water.
Look at him.
I'm going to push him in the water.
Don't push him in there. You don't want to go. You done, Mikey?
Let me get him in the water.
You really going to get in the water? Don't put him in there. If you don't want to go, don't make him. Is it really close?
Come on, Jack. Come on, Jack. Good boy, Jack. Good boy. No, I got him. He can swim. Mikey's got a stick. Why don't you throw it? Throw it to him in the water. All right, boys, come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Jack. Jack's trying to get plants from underwater. Look at Jack. Hey. Hey, come back over here. Mikey. Come on, let's go. Let's go.
Come on, boys, let's go. Hey, you ready to go? You want to go? You want to go? Let's
You
go.
ready?
Get ready, come on.
You ready?
He's trying to take sticks.
You ready?
He's trying to get sticks. He wants the sticks so bad.
Come on, let's go, boys.